A project manager's responsibilities vary, but they typically include defining and controlling the project's schedule. Typically, a Gantt chart is used to manage the project's progress and make necessary changes to keep it on track. The monitoring and controlling process group also includes processes for measuring and analyzing project performance, and comparing it to the project's plan. This process group is also responsible for identifying any problems that may arise and taking corrective action. Another role of the project manager is to assess the risks associated with a project. Generally, risks are external events that can have a negative impact on the project. If the risks are high, the project manager must take steps to minimize or mitigate them. In addition, some projects are governed by industry or government regulations, while others follow organizational procedures. Deviating from these procedures can have disastrous effects. The first step is to make a project plan. Creating a plan will enable you to allocate resources appropriately. Developing a plan will help you determine which tasks are the most important and which are not. It is also crucial to include a contingency plan that allows for unforeseen elements. A good rule of thumb is to add 20% to your schedule to account for potential problems. Another important part of project management is communication. Communication is 90% of project management, and effective communication requires practice. Effective communication requires tact, leadership, and rapport building. These skills are not learned overnight, but they are essential for project management success. If you are not comfortable in communicating with others, you may find it difficult to manage a project. Project management is a broad field, and there are many specialized roles in it. Depending on the size of the project, it can benefit to hire a project manager with specialized knowledge. It's also beneficial to consult with experts in different fields, as they have valuable knowledge in their fields. However, it's important to remember that following best practices won't guarantee success. A successful project manager must be passionate about the job and be willing to change when necessary. Projects generally have a start and an end date. The organization expects that the project will be completed on time. It forecasts that the project will benefit from its completion. However, these dates are usually tied to other events that cannot be moved. Some project activities can be completed in parallel, while others must be completed sequentially. The project manager must determine the most effective timing to achieve the desired results. Often, a Gantt chart is used to visualize this process. Project managers may need to reduce the scope of a project because of a limited budget. In this case, they must communicate the new plan. They also need to review risks and constraints. These are all interrelated and can result in changes in expectations. Projects are categorized into phases, known as phases.